Welcome back. Well, it's superstar Vijay's birthday today. He turns 46, and here's all about Thalapathi's upcoming film Master, the poster of which is out, and also his incredible journey in Kollywood.
Thalapathi Vijay celebrated his 46th birthday on 22nd June. Fans planned many activities on social media. It is worth mentioning that a few days ago, actor Vijay personally requested his fan clubs in Tamil Nadu to not indulge in any kind of celebrations amid COVID-19 scare. Anand, head of Vijay Fan Club Association in Tamil Nadu, has conveyed the same to the actor's fans across the country. Vijay's much anticipated film, Master, was supposed to hit the screens in April. The film is yet to see the light of the day due to the coronavirus pandemic. Fans were speculating about it. They now have reason to rejoice. Makers of Master are currently working on the post-production and will most likely announce the release date by the end of this month. Vijay will be playing the role of a college professor in the film. There are also reports that the actor will be teaming up with director A.R. Murugadoss for his 65th film, which will be produced by Sun Pictures. The makers of Vijay's blockbuster film Bigil, which released in 2019, have decided to release it in Germany and France as a part of the star's birthday celebrations. Countries have reopened theatres with some strict restrictions and guidelines, and so they have decided to screen the film from June 22 to June 30th. Directed by Atlee, Bigil is a sports drama that revolves around women's football. The film also featured Nayanthara. As a mass entertainer, Vijay has had a dream run on the professional front. The 2017 film Marcel was a blockbuster. Despite the controversy it caused, the film became a huge hit. In the movie, Vijay as the magician addresses the media and highlights the need for better healthcare facilities in Tamil Nadu. The film did not go down well with the government. Like Marcel, his film Sarkar too had its share of controversies. Sarkar reportedly made 225.3 crore at the worldwide box office in just 14 days. Sarkar made headlines when the producers reportedly agreed to remove or mute controversial portions critical of Tamil Nadu's AIADMK government after two ministers levelled sedition charges against them. AIADMK ministers and party cadre had expressed their displeasure about certain scenes in Sarkar. The party cadre even went on to protest outside various theatres in Tamil Nadu, but the controversy did not make a dent in the film collections. All testimony to Vijay's immense popularity in Tamil Nadu. Sarkar continued to rake in the moolah. The collections only slowed down when Rajnikant's 2.0 finally released to packed houses. Thalapathi Vijay is undoubtedly one of the biggest superstars in the country, and fans across the globe are waiting for his next Master. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
With that, it's a wrap on this edition of The Bulletin. Thanks very much for watching. You can log on to our website, indiatoday.in. You can also download the India Today app for all the latest news and updates that we're tracking this morning. I'll be joining you with the headlines in India's agenda in just a bit.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.